What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, in my last maybe 3 weeks, I've been thinking about going kind of all in on XRP, where my all in definition of all in was really about what I have during the given day. But when I truly want to go all in or truly want to spend everything that I have available on a position, I will do that. And that means that consistently you'll see day after day after day to where I do have a certain amount of money that I can put towards my whatever position I have. So whether it's, a Jasmine position or a Terra Luna Classic position or a Shiba Inu position or something else entirely, I see the opportunity within it. And when I see that opportunity that I want to capture, I'm going to try and capture that very, very quickly. Now, that position that I decided to go all in on, and this is like a true definition of all in, like historic all in, I guess. I don't know what to really call it. It's XRP. I've made a few videos about how I keep buying more and how I'm never going to stop buying more, and also putting things out on Twitter, about it. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I really truly believe in what XRP will be overall. And I know there's a lot of people that feel the same way about XRP. So right now, I officially own 10,000 XRP, but that doesn't mean that I'm going to stop unless we see this absolutely explode. So as we see it below a certain price level, I'm going to continue to buy it and continue to raise my cost basis because at this point, it definitely is increasing. My cost basis is increasing as I'm adding so much more at these levels compared to where I was previously. So let's talk about XRP in this video. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, make sure you guys follow me on Twitter, and you can follow me on Patreon. Those links are in the description. But also, if you guys want to start trading XRP, with maybe like 50x leverage, you can do that on Margex. Use my link for Margex down below. They are a partner with the channel, and I feel like they are a great platform. If you guys want dynamic updating with all of your indicators, you can get all of that within this platform. I easily can use my ETH. I can basically take ETH, or I take SOL, or I take anything, and I can leverage that in order to buy XRP, and then I'll end up gaining that money back in whatever position I leverage, which is honestly pretty cool. So if you really like XRP, you can leverage your XRP, trade anything else, and you'll still be able to gain XRP in the end, which is really interesting. Also, you'll be able to buy and short the market. So whether you see things going up or going down, you can make money in a bear market or make money in a bull market. It's going to be interchangeable. So definitely go ahead and check out that link for Margex down below. I really, really like their platform, and it's easy to use. So anyways, let's get into XRP. Currently, XRP is up by 3% on the day. It's at about 64 cents. It's at 63.7 cents. We did see the overall market wasn't really looking positive early this morning, but then started to pick up, later in the day as we got off at like maybe 8 o'clock, 8:10. It started to really pick up, after that, somewhere around like 9 o'clock or so. And then throughout the day, everything really started to move. So XRP is officially up 3% today. And you can see it's at a $34.4 billion market cap, currently listed as number 6th by market cap, because you have Sol above them, you have BNB above them as well. But you're seeing that at 6th. Also, you're seeing $1.37 billion worth of volume, which we want to see, a lot more volume. I think we will see billions upon billions of dollars worth of volume there. And I think once I saw this move, I was like, if we're going to see things explode, I want to have more XRP, during that time. So in the next video that I'm going to create is going to be all about like if XRP exploded, exactly what my plan is right now. But I do have a plan to consistently buy more. So in my Coinbase account, I currently hold 32,000 overall crypto, $32,481.34. 7,000 of that is Jasmine coin, and almost 7,000 of that is now XRP, getting very, very close to being my top position. Currently holding 10,659 XRP, 10,659 59.99, so almost 10,660 XRP, which is valued at $6,793 total. Now, I see XRP going so much further than where it is right now, and I know a lot of people will say, hey, what do you see about XRP? Well, I'm going to kind of explain that within this video as what I see within it. If you look at the holders, the typical hold time, you're looking at 73 days of typical hold time. So people are holding it for a long time, not as long as something like Shiba Inu, or not as long as something like ADA, or something that's completely stakeable. But you are seeing a really long hold time for XRP. We look at the circulating supply, we see 54% that's out there. Understand that 1 billion coins gets added to the supply every single month. So you are seeing a natural inflation that happens with the position, but it's organic. They do have an organic deflationary aspect to them. It's just they consistently add things from escrow, which I honestly would love to see that their escrow does get depleted or burned off, but that's not a given that they're going to do that. We know that we're going to see that inflation added to it, and it's something that does like stifle the growth. It is something that takes away from the growth overall, and if we saw that was taken away, we probably would see a lot more growth. But it also would open the door for a lot higher prices as well, because you need a certain amount, especially if you're going to use it the way that it is. So that kind of brings me into that next topic, where it's like, why am I so bullish on XRP? Why am I deciding to buy a lot of XRP right now? Well, I stated this before in a previous video, that a lot of people will go to buy Bitcoin, they'll go to buy Ethereum, they'll go to buy Solana, some of the top cryptocurrencies, because they believe in the technology. They believe in what the use is. Well, I've always been heavy around being able to use cryptocurrency as a form of payment, as an actual currency, and I understand that Bitcoin's overall value is all about being, or was all about being the world currency. Well, I no longer believe, or I didn't believe actually from the beginning, but a lot of other people don't believe that Bitcoin will be that world currency, that something like an XRP will be a world currency based on the amount of transactions they can do, the speed of those transactions, the cost of those transactions, the security of those transactions, and the security of you holding your money, holding your XRP there. So honestly, it just shows so many levels to where it could be so much better. And not only looking at that, why am I so bullish and seeing different prices that are like 300, 400, 500, 1,000, $10,000, is because you understand the flow of money. Like, this is different than like buying something. Like, this is different than buying into a certain stock. Because buying into a certain stock and buying a business, it's depending on how much money that market is really worth, on people that spend money there. But when you talk about the actual flow of money and the amount of money that's out there, and you look at the US dollar and any other country's fiat currency, you now understand the value of what that money is as a whole. It's not about what the money is spent on, it's what the money is. So that's the way that I look at it. And I'm honestly just excited about what it will be and where it will be. But I want to know your guys' opinion on exactly where you think XRP will be. There's some people that just don't see the value in XRP. I do. But again, this is my investment. This is going to be my top investment. And I don't expect you guys to make this move based on just what I say. I expect you guys to do a lot of research into something. And if you truly believe in XRP, you make that move in XRP. I'm going all in on XRP because of the fact that I see what I want to see within XRP. And consistently, they're showing me more of what I want to see every single day that I wake up. So I'm excited about so many different things related to XRP. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to sign up for Margex, use my link down below. You can sign up for this platform where you can get up to 50x leverage on XRP, 100x leverage on BNB, and 100x leverage on BTC, and a lot of other ones that are over there. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.